Hello, in front of me I've got REALME 11 Pro. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter password and security. Go to lock screen password, unlock it with your current password, and as you can see right here, we've got three types of passwords: numeric, alphanumeric and pattern. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone, and let's start with numeric. We can actually set up three types of numeric passwords: 6-digit, 4 digits and 4 to 16 digits. Let's only set up 4-digit numeric password, because basically they are the same and the only difference is length. So set up your password and now use it to unlock the phone. Next, let's select alphanumeric password, and to create it enter 4 to 16 letters and digits. Again, use it to unlock the phone. And now we can proceed to last unlock method, which is pattern. To create pattern you have to connect at least 4 dots. Next, let's go to biometrics, and our first biometric is fingerprint. To enter fingerprint unlock, select add fingerprint and scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the bottom of the screen. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done and use your fingerprint to unlock the phone. In the end, let's go to face unlock, and thanks to this function you can unlock your phone with your face. Select add face and now scan it in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's basically it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.